back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Converse Tractator All-Star 70SOX7 Moncler Fragment white color. Retail price on this is $135. That was released on September 3rd, 2020. And this colorway is white, black dash white. Style number is 169070C. So let's go ahead and unbox this. By the way, this pair is already sold, so we're gonna, after I unbox it, we're gonna ship it out right away. Oh my god. Why is every pair is always damaged? So here is the item number and then the description. This is size 9.5, quantity is 1. You guys 360 view at the box real quick. Converse All-Star Tractator. $100% recyclable. The box is made in China. And here's the size label, $135 retail price. And this pair is made in China. Go ahead and unbox this. There's a quality control sticker right here. Wow, here you go. Got the Moncler code, fragment design. So this special logo right here. Wow, look at that. Got the white lace with the white tip. Got the Moncler fragment. What the heck? It's like a double layer or something. So, and you got the CT219. There's a cutout opening right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 notches. And this is what it look like inside. You got this rubberized material right here. It's like a TPU. Let me turn on the flash. So go and check out the bottom real quick. Let's go and then check out the bottom real quick. Got the size 9.5 Converse All-Star. Got the chocolate outsole. So yeah, let me turn on the flash. Here you go. Hopefully you guys could see much better. Got the Converse right here. And here's a size label. Alright, so this is a canvas material. Go and then check out the other side. So yeah, the tongue is pretty thin. And then this side has this special print over here. Player's name. And then the size label. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.